Dear friends, today we are going to perform the next test on cement, that is consistency of cement. Before starting this experiment, I will introduce the apparatus used in this test. First is electronics balance. This is the enamel tray. Then this is the Vicard apparatus. It contains mold and impervious surface that will be used the glass. And very important is this is the plunger that will be used to put in this block. Then we have the glass measuring cylinder and beaker to measure the water. Then we have the trowels and enamel tray, and if need we use this spatula. So the cement paste of normal consistency is defined by percentage of water by weight of cement, which permits a plunger of 10 millimeter dia to penetrate up to a depth of 5 or 7 millimeters above the bottom of this mold. In the other words, you can take this, it will be 33 millimeter to 35 millimeter from the top of this mold, or 5 to 7 millimeter from the bottom of this mold. So this is very important because the consistency plays very important role. Why this test is performed? Before performing the test for initial setting time, final setting time, compression test, tensile test, and soundness of cement. It is to fix the quantity of water to be mixed to prepare a paste of standard consistency in each case. Now we are going to perform this experiment. First of all, we will take a known quantity of cement. So here we will use this, we will take the about 300 grams of cement. To take the exact quantity of 300 grams, then you can start to put the water. First off, we will start to take the 32% of water by weight of cement. So here I have taken this 50 ml, then 46 ml. So this quantity, if I will take this 300 grams of cement, 32% of this by weight of cement, it comes to be 96 grams or 96 ml. So I will add 96 ml of water in 300 grams of water. It should be mixed on a surface that is impervious. So you can mix it in the tray. This table is of GI sheet. So it is impervious surface. Here I can mix this by putting the water slowly and carefully. I will put 96 ml of water. This process should be done gently. And for this I have started my stopwatch. This operation should be mixing and putting in the mold should be within 3 to 5 minutes. It should not be less than 3 minutes and it should not be more than 5 minutes. So I put this 96 ml of water. Here I can mix it thoroughly like this. This process should be done carefully. So when this all water is soaked, you can see this, and you will cut like this. After this mixing thoroughly, when this becomes a uniformly paste, it should become the homogeneous. The water should be mixed, and after this mixing we will put this in the mold by placing the mold on the glass plate. It may be impervious surface, so mostly we use this glass. After this, now it is thoroughly mixed, and after this mixing, you can put it like this. And you can place this mold over the glass plate and put it in it. There should not be any air bubble. You can shake it. And the top surface should be leveled with the help of this top. And there should not be any paste on the sides. You can remove any air bubble in it. The top of this mold. Now you can place under this block and put this plunger below this 10 millimeter dia plunger. You fix in this and then place this block and touch the surface and freely drop it. You can see the penetration from the readings. It should be 33 millimeter from the top and 7 millimeter from the bottom. So here we can see this penetration is 26. So it means it requires more water. So as you have seen in the previous case, the penetration was 26 ml. It means we require more water to put in the same place. Now we can repeat the same process by increasing the percentage of water by 1%, 2%, 3% and so on. So now I have taken again 300 grams of cement. So I will take this percentage of this cement as water as 34%. 34% means 300 grams and 34% it becomes to be 102 ml of water. So now I will add 102 ml water in this 300 grams. The process is same, but for this again I will show it here. You put this cement over the impervious surface and put the water over here. So you put the water slowly and carefully. And this operation should be completed within 5 minutes. Now we have increased the quantity of water. It becomes more consistent. This is a repetition of same process. There is plunger. You can take this pin out. After touching this thoroughly, you can relieve it immediately. Now you can see this penetration is near to reach 6, 7. This is our requirement, 5 to 7 millimeter. You can see this indicator is at 7 millimeter. So it indicates our normal consistency water to mix at the ratio of 34% by weight of cement. So this data you can record on your list. So you can now enter the data, what you have recorded. See the serial number, quantity of water added. First time we added the quantity of water, that is 96 ml. Then percentage of weight, we had taken in the first case 32% weight of cement. Time of gauging, that was 5 minutes. And then penetration from the bottom, it was 26 mm. Then in the second case, we are going to repeat that. Then we added the quantity of water as 102 ml. It was 34%, and this was completed in 4 minutes. And this was 7 millimeter from the bottom of the mold. So we can calculate this. P is the symbol for consistency of cement. W is the weight of water added. C is the weight of cement. So we added the water as 102 grams per ml. This we have taken as 300 grams, 34%. So this is the value of P. So in future we will code this for this cement, the value of this consistency as P, because next we have to perform the initial setting time, final setting time, soundness of cement, comprehensive strength of cement, and tensile strength of cement. So there we can use. Thank you. So after this completion, it is your responsibility to switch off this light and remove this wastage and remove this and clean all the parts of this wickets operators. So this is very much important.